Ever wondered why your body feels like it's in a different time zone after a long flight? That's jet lag for you, and it can feel like you're living in a twilight zone. But fear not, because there's a way out of this disorienting state. Today, we're revealing the top 10 ways to overcome jet lag and adjust quickly. Embrace the journey, not the jet lag. 1. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Your body needs water to function properly. This is especially true when you're flying, so always keep a water bottle handy and sip frequently. 2. Adjust your schedule before you travel. If you're crossing multiple time zones, start shifting your meal and bedtime schedules a few days before your trip to match the time zone of your destination. 3. Opt for an overnight flight. You'll have dinner at a normal time and be much more likely to sleep than on an afternoon flight. 4. Don't nap upon arrival. It might be tempting to get some shut-eye, but try to stay awake until it's bedtime in the new time zone. 5. Soak up the sun. Sunlight helps your body clock reset to the new time zone. Spend time outside during daylight hours to help your body adjust. 6. Exercise. Physical activity can help reset your internal body clock and help you adjust to a new schedule. 7. Avoid alcohol and caffeine. Both can dehydrate you and alter your sleep patterns, making it harder for your body to adjust. 8. Try taking melatonin. This hormone helps regulate sleep-wake cycles and can help your body adjust to a new time zone. 9. Eat smart. Eating meals according to your new time zone can help reset your internal body clock. And 10. Be patient. Your body will adjust, but it might take a few days. Listen to your body and give it the rest it needs. So there you have it, 10 ways to help you overcome jet lag and adjust quickly. Remember, staying hydrated, adjusting your schedule before travel, opting for overnight flights, staying awake upon arrival, getting plenty of sunlight, exercising, avoiding alcohol and caffeine, taking melatonin, eating according to your new time zone, and being patient with your body are all key to beating jet lag. So the next time you're preparing for a trip, remember these tips. They will not only help you overcome jet lag, but also ensure you make the most of your travel. Because after all, travel is about exploring new places, meeting new people, and making memories, not battling fatigue and confusion. So be proactive and take charge of your journey. Safe travels!